Hi, I'm Rachel Nelson. I am the Adult Services Librarian at the Williamsburg Regional Library. I do a lot of work with teens, and today I am here to show you how to do this week's Make and Take craft, a memory wire bracelet. You're going to need your craft kit. You're going to want to empty your beads out. What I suggest is using something like the top of a shoebox, or I have a cookie tray right here. Because if you tip it on its side, and I'm even going to lay a tea towel in mine, it's going to keep your beads from rolling all over the place. So let me show you. I am going to empty out my little bead packet on my tea towel. You're going to want to find your charm and a jump ring. You're also going to need a pair of pliers. First major step, you're going to take your pliers. You're going to take your wire, and you are going to create a loop on the end, like this. So I'm going to take my memory wire, and basically, I'm going to turn it back on itself to create a little loop. Okay, now that you've got your loop, you can go ahead and in the design you want, start putting your little beads on. So I want to get so I bead almost to the very, very end, because this is where we are going to turn the other end so they don't fall off. I would love to put another little bead in there, but I don't want to do that because that's not going to give me the space I need to turn the loop to close the end of the bracelet. So again, you're going to take your pliers, and this is where you want to be very careful when you're pinching the wires not to let your beads go flying, because this is when it'll happen because you're putting pressure on. So what I like to do is I kind of hold the beads back a little bit with one of my hands, and now I'm going to make my little turn. You want to make sure that the loop is closed all the way, because otherwise your charm will fall off. Okay, attaching the jump ring. This is a skill that if you want to continue doing jewelry, this is a key skill because the jump ring is going to join a lot of your little baubles and beads and things. So you've got this tiny little jump ring. So what I have done, I've created a little space. Okay, now you can add your charm. I'm going to slip my little charm right on that jump ring, and that jump ring is what you are going to connect to your loop so that it can dangle freely and not be so stiff. Closing the jump ring is a lot easier. And there we have it, which I can wear when I'm pirating about this summer, participating in the summer reading program.